lo muthi uyayizwa leyo thatha lo muthi bese uye ekamereni lakho mawuye ekamereni lakho bese ushaya indlwabu jule kakhulu manje ushaya indlwabu lalela uma ushaya indlwabu kanje kona lesikhathi mase uchama uyajuluka echama inyawo iqonde noma uyintombazana uyachama ufuna lama spams angithi aphume enzima ustrugglation bese uyestofini stove hathe lento yami bese uyifake phezulu kwestove mawushisa estofini ushisa nemali ngifuna yonke into yakhe ayize kimi ngoba vele sekunesigubhu sakhona khona isigubhu sakhona ke lalela isigubhu sakhona siwu 60,000 lo muthi ngufundele kwenye indawo abathi seChitungwitha eZimbabwe phansi lo muthi ngithe mangufunda ngifunde mina ukuthwebula inhlanhla umuntu okhuluma kabi ngawe you can work enhlanhla isitha sakho kahle kahle sisuke sitwist umqondo womuntu sisuke sesenza demonstration before uhambe uzohlala 2 days la ekhaya one day uyolala phezulu kwethuna unqumo umulala phezulu kwethuna yonke into engizofika ebusuku kuwe ngiyenze usuzumekile ulele ungavuka ukuthi just open your mouth uzolala mawulala mawuqala ifike ngithi ngikubamba umlomo uzokubamba umlomo namehlo papa ngikubamba vele uthi khamisa faka lento engiyifakayo ugwinya mawuqeda kugwinya bese ngitshela into eyi-1 okay after an hour ngikuvusa uvuka manje hlala la emini hamba ehlathini mawuphisiwe toilet ungikhiphele yona lento ubuye nayo mawubuya nayo siyithathe lento bese sikugcaba yona la inhlanga siyifaka la intombazana ngeke ulale nayo intombazana into ezoyenza izo toilet my toilet leyo nto ungayimix udle toilet uyidle leyo toilet uyiqede mase usuka lapha uhambe beku 3 million pounds thatha leyo mali thola inkukhu emnyama ichele ngegazi bese uthathe leyo mali lahlela imali emfuleni
lo 3 million
yebo
how akhehla lezi
lahlela leyo mali emfuleni
yes
let me talk about Khehlelezi
yes
2 years back kuwe watrenda kakhulu Khehlelezi scam Khehlelezi this kunenyanga eyi1 yakhokhelwa imali by a certain political party wangena iqembu thizeni nathi umuntu ovikela lo uzibani let's fund someone social media influencers benzani bathola lenyanga eyi1 bayinika imali enkulu lenyanga eyi1 yenzani yalanda ama social media influencers abantu abaziwayo ukuthi bayakhuluma ku social media but guys create any content but create ngalo muntu which was uKhehlelezi so you make sure that nishaya yonke into you make sure that you create things nizletha like get people sizon protect nize nenze sure ukuthi uyanasejele you know it went as far as kwathiwa mina ngidlengule umntwana monawo 2 years kwathiwa sengimdlengule more than 14 times I'm telling you the case was opened ingane yakhala is abused and when uhlangene noma wayo uhlala uhamba noma wayo lento yenza esontweni uyenzele esontweni umntwana maka sesontweni umntwana doesn't even come to church only to find ngelinye ilanga emunye wenyanga ongishayayo wavela wayiveza yena wakhuluma ngayo lento wathi tshela abantu iqiniso ukuthi wena une case kwakuyani icase eyadroshwa lo mayesezongishaya ku social media uthi yena ayivuze icase. So into engidlule kuyo mina, I'm the testimony. Into engidlule kuyona ngifisa abanye abantu badlule kuyona umona kakhulu ukuthi siyambona lo wenza kahle bese sishayana. Inini nenza ukuthi inyanga zilo. Inyanga umuntu afika ne social media ethatha ukunyanga beka ku social media kulo oyimina. Ngathi ngiqala ngiyenza leyo nto zazi ngishaya inyanga zithi inyanga enjani eshuthwayo, inyanga enjani evela kuma camera, alikho idlozi elivumela abantu. They had an excitement of a what? A camera.
Yes.
Ikhombisa ianger yayo phambi kwama camera. Uyabona umuntu mayezokudiscredit exactly akushaye athi umuntu athi yena asikho isigubhu sika 6 million. Uyabona wena mzo wena mfana waseverelem. Loyo muntu uyakhohlwa ukuthi imuno oyi1 ukhomba bani ukhehlelezi yabo eminingi ikhombe ba khombe wena yonke le ikhombe mina. In other words, indirectly ungamshaya inyanga. I swear to God, angikaze, if you go through my videos, you won't see me ngishaya inyanga.
You don't.
Uthi wena uboneka yi1 futhi uyasho. Ngiresponda. I responded after 5 years ngishayo. Created stories about Khehlelezi. Ku create istory, ku create yonke into ngami ngashaywa kwenziwa live bafike kushaywe baqamba mangabathi bezeke imbezela nti igubhu. A scam. Ngathi mina it's fine. So I'm the testimony. But what happened to me, I don't wish ukuthi yenzeke kwenye inyanga because inyanga ziweak. Enye uthatha intambi yoyikhunga. Mina ngikutshele. I had 7 pharmacies. Employed more than 500 abasebenzi. I'm left with 120 abasebenzi. Njengamanje you will be happy uthi wena baphelile abasebenzi bahambile. How many families are hungry akade benza imali ngokuthi mina nginika abantu imithi? Kunabantu abangasakwazi ukuza kimi babone umuntu kanti wayenza icomment ekhokheliwe, wayenza icontent ekhokheliwe because some of those content creators, even the people ababengishaya, they came back to me. Bayabuya, they came back to me. Bazothi kimi siyaxolisa Khehlelezi. Ngithi mina I'm accepting the apology, but the problem, what about the dent esele kumuntu othi maye ngibona ku social media athi aha. That is why I went to an extent yokuthi ngike ngenze research ukuthi lezi inhliziyo zabantu abangizondayo manje can I not benefit yini ngazo? Ngaze ngawuthola umuthi endaweni okuthiwa ise Chitungwitsa. Ngathola umuthi othi use them.